Welcome to Sparks Toyota.
Here we have a 2015 Toyota 4Runner Limited. It has only one previous owner and comes with power heated mirrors with signals, step rails, roof rails, deep tinted glass, and much more. 20-inch unique dual 6-spoke alloy wheels, mud and snow tires, fully automatic projector beam halogen daytime running headlamps with delay off, and a strong 6-cylinder with only 47,578 miles. A power rear window, a hidden wiper, the tow package, LED brake lights, parking sensors, a spacious cargo area with a sliding cargo tray, and a comfortable back seat with cup holders. We can't forget about the power sunroof, the front row power heated and cooled leather bucket seats with driver memory, cruise, dual zone climate, a push button start, a locking glove box, a garage door opener, a leather steering wheel with convenience controls, the multimedia and navigation touchscreen with a CD player, Bluetooth and voice activation, and a backup camera to make backing up a breeze.
Please let us know if you have any questions, and thank you for watching.